Yeah, turn it that way. All right, so hi everybody. My name is IfáSeyì Bamigbàlà, and Shemay, thank you for filming this. So a lot of you asked me how I wrap my hair with the fabric. This is one of the more simple wraps that you can do. I think it's great for everybody to wrap their hair because it's just a beautiful cultural expression that we can do very easily. And if you have the mindset that you want to like hide, something transitionary that you might be going through with your hair, this is a good thing to do also. Like transitioning from permed hair to locks, or transitioning from, I don't know, maybe you've done a lot of things to your hair and your hair needs to take a break. And you can put your conditioner on it and bond it up like this. Okay, so this started out with a very simple piece of fabric that I actually got from a sister who sells fabric from Nigeria. And I actually have fabric also myself that I bought back from Nigeria. You're going to take it and pull it from the back, tie it towards the front. You're going to get it nice and firm. Don't worry about hair falling out because you're going to tuck that in a minute. So you got this part right here. And you're going to tie it again just to make a nice firm knot. But you want the knot to be facing upward, not like that. You want it to be up like that. All right, tie it very, very firmly. So now all it is a series of swoops and tucks. You probably will rarely get it the same way twice. So don't, if you are obsessive compulsive, I'm so sorry for you because this is just going to drive you nuts. Or if you are super, set on being in control of the outcome, you have to be free with it because it's going to be different almost every time, and you can get it real close, but it won't ever be exactly the same as it was. So you see how I just took that and tucked that? Take a piece, tuck it underneath the knot, in between the knot, the open space in the knot. Look at that. All right, don't worry about those falling down pieces. So take this other piece and take it, swoop it up, tuck it somehow in the same open space in the knot. Now you see how you got all this? Part of this is what's going to make it really beautiful and fanciful. So you don't want to tuck everything in. You want to have some loose pieces. And you can take the loose pieces if you want to get some more uniformity and tuck it in an available opening. You see this? Now let me fix the pieces of hair that are falling down everywhere. So you're just going to take them and tuck them into themselves. And if you need hairpins, that will assist. But you really do have enough fabric to where you don't have to add anything. You see, you can just take the fabric and tuck the hair under the fabric, and it'll hold it nice and firm. And there you have a beautiful,
it's so beautiful
wrap. I wish I had on something more complimentary, but I just finished working out.
Let me get the bag.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh,
Very
that's
simple.
nice.
Everybody can do it.
Yeah, that's real nice.
But it only works if you're a queen.
Ashay.